Okay, in this lesson 7.2, we're going to be doing subtraction with regrouping. So let's go through how the problem is going to look. At the top, we have the question, how do you subtract 8 from 42? So when we think about this, it's going to be, if we set up on the side here, it would be 42 minus 8, because we're taking the 8 away from 42. So step 1. First, we're going to model the larger number. 4 tens and the 2 ones makes our larger number 42. We're not modeling 8 because we're taking 8 away from that. Now notice that there are not enough 1s over here to take 8 of them away. So what we have to do is take away a 10 and turn that into 10 ones. So now we have a total of 12 ones. Now we can take 8 ones away from 12 ones, so we show that by crossing them out. In the last step, our total, we're left with 3 tens, and here these ones are going to work together to show 4 ones, so we're left with 3 tens, 4 ones, or the number 34. Okay, so now let's try one on our own. At the top we have subtract 7 from 35. Once again, this is, if we set this up, this would be 35 minus 7. We're taking 7 away. So we model the larger number first, 35, 3 tens, and our 5 ones in the frame here. Now, can we take 7 away from the ones here? Are there enough? There are not. There are 5 ones here. We need to take 7 away. So what we're going to do is take a 10 away. We can show that by crossing it out. And then that is going to fill up the bottom's tens frame with 10 ones. So what we have here now is 2 tens and 15 ones. 10 here and 5 up here. Now, can we take 7 away from 15? Yes, we will have enough. So I'm going to start crossing out 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I'm left with 2 tens, and let's count our ones that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 35 minus 7 is 28. Here's another example problem. We have subtracting 6 from 37. So if we would write this out, it would be 37 minus 6. We model the larger number, 3 tens and 7 ones, and we need to take 6 away. And we're going to ask ourselves the same question again. Are there enough ones to take 6 away? Because 7 is the larger number in the ones place, I am able to take 6 of them away. I do not need to regroup any of the tens and turn them into the ones. So I can just take the 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm left with 3 tens and 1 1. So this was an example of subtracting in which we didn't have to regroup. Now on to our last one. We are subtracting 27 from 43. Now this one's a little bit different because we have tens and ones that we're taking away from 43. So I'm going to set this up 43 minus 27. Now looking at this problem, we always want to start with the ones. Can I take 7 ones away from 3 ones? Looking over here, I show my 3 ones. I can't take 7 of them away. So we're going to regroup one of the tens and then turn it into 10 ones. Now I have 13 ones, and I can take 7 of them away. So I'm going to start crossing them out. I'm going to take 7 of them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the ones place, I am left with 6 ones. Now with this step, it involves another step to solve, because we aren't just taking ones away, we're taking tens away as well. So up here we see that I'm taking 2 more tens away from 43, and that's just done by crossing them out. When we subtract, I'm left with 1 10 and 6 ones for an answer of 16. Please post a comment of something that you learned for double-digit subtraction, and you can leave it on either Google Classroom or on the YouTube.